Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use Wokwi with AI. We are using Microsoft Copilot here. Click here on Copilot symbol. We can see the Copilot detected Wokwi tab here. Now we will write the prompt as shown for connecting LED with ESP32. Now we have got the steps for hardware setup in Wokwi. We will follow the steps one by one. We will add LED and resistor of value 330 ohm to UI. Connect anode of LED to pin 4 of ESP32 and cathode to the resistor. Add ground symbol and connect it to the other end of resistor. Copilot has also generated code for LED blinking. This we will add to Wokwi in code editor. Now let us simulate the application. See, LED is blinking now. After this, we ask Copilot about interfacing potentiometer with ESP32 ADC pin with prompt as shown. Now answer is ready. Follow steps given by Wokwi. Drag potentiometer and place it near ESP32. Connect 3.3 volt to VCC pin and ground to ground pin of a pot. Connect signal pin to ADC pin 34 of ESP32. We also have the code ready for reading ADC values. Copy and paste the code as shown. Let us simulate. Oh. We got an error. We forgot to define ADC pin 34, that is pot pin. Let us define it in the code. Done. We are ready for simulation again. It may take a while. ADC values are printed on the console. Let us vary the pot and check the values in the range of 0 to 4095. Also note the blinking of LED. So Copilot has guided us as how interface the LED and pot to ESP32, and it has generated code for us as well. We must thank Copilot. You may give a try using ChatGPT or Google Gemini with Wokwi. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and share. Also comment.